sister. More blessings on your birthday.
Happy birthday, Mercy. Congratulations on getting younger again.
From Hong Kong, greetings daw. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, happy birthday po Tita Mercy. More birthday to come po. Happy birthday. Love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Mercy.
Happy birthday, Tita Mercy. Enjoy your day. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Bye po.
Happy birthday, Tita Mercy.
Happy birthday, Tita Mercy.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Hi, Tita Mercy.
Hi, Ate Che. Kumusta? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo
Ingat
dyan
kayo
palagi.
dyan. From Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Happy birthday, Ate Che.
Love you po, Tita.
Love
Ingat
you.
ka po.
Ingat.
Happy birthday, Tita. God bless po. Ingat.
Hello, my darling Mercy Wareham. Ito yung kaibigan mo na from Israel, si Amigas, Amigos. So, kakantahan mo na kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Sana more love, more blessings to come. Napakabait ni Madam Mercy para sa akin talaga.
Hello, Sis Mercy Wareham. First of all, I would like to say happy birthday to my sister Mercy Wareham, and happy birthday and more to come, a good health, stay safe always, and I love you.
Happy birthday! Sa araw na to, mayroon tayong batiin na isang maligayang kaarawan. Wish you all the best, more candles to blow, and good health. Mercy, more blessings pa na darating sa'yo dahil napakabuti ng puso mo sa marami kang natulungan.
Ayan, good evening, Lalabs Mercy. Happy birthday. Ayan, magka-birthday tayo. Ayan, I wish you all the best. May you have many more birthdays to come, and stay kind, humble, and stay what you are, na nakilala namin na super mabait. Ayan, very supportive na kahit na super busy, na andyan ka po, nakasupport sa amin. At salamat po sa pagiging magkakaibigan natin through YT. Ayan, Lalabs Mercy, may you have many more birthdays to come. Ayan, enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday to our beautiful and kind friend. May your special day be filled with love and laughter. We feel so lucky to have you as our friend, Sissy, and may all your dreams come true. Thanks for being such a good friend to us, and enjoy your day because today is your special day. God bless you always. I love you, Sissy Mercy. Mwah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Bessie.
Happy birthday to one of our friends, Miss Mercy Wareham. A healthiest and happiest birthday to you, sister. I just want to say thank you for your help. Through your help, our Princess Aya becomes a queen. Thank you for your supports and donations. May the Lord bless you more, gives you more bountiful blessings to you and to your family. God bless from Lim and Parton family. We love you.
Ang magsiselebrate ng kanyang kaarawan, walang iba kundi ang nag-iisang Ate Mercy Wareham. Ayan. Ate, maraming salamat sa lahat ng support at sa iyong pagiging generous sa mga katulad namin na mga bago mo lang na nakilala, sa social media mo lang nakilala, pero nagtitiwala ka sa amin. Maraming salamat sa tiwala at sa pagmamahal sa amin, sa aming grupo, sa mga kapatid ko. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Sana ay hindi ka magbago. Ang wish ko lang ay sana lagi ka lang na healthy, lagi ka lang malusog. Yun naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, ang ating kalusugan. So alam ko na successful ka naman nasa buhay, so parang wala ka nang hihilingin sa iyong buhay. Kaya basta mag-ingat lang dyan sa iyong pang araw-araw na ginagawa. Mag-ingat lagi. Happy birthday ate. And more birthdays to come. At mag-ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi Beshi! Hello to you. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung anong oras mo mapapanood ang video ko na to. But anyways, ayan. It's your birthday and this is the first time that you will celebrate your birthday with us. Anong pwede kong sabihin? You have all the things in your life. You have the things in your hands. It's only the happiness that you need to build. But anyways, it will follow. Sabi nga nila ba? Sabi mo nga, darating kung may darating. So anyway, happy birthday. Ano pa bang pwede kong i-wish sa isang Mercy Wareham? Marami ka ng kaibigan. So you create a good friendship with others, but isang paalala lang na you have to make sure na hindi ka ulit anong tawag doon, mapagsamantalahan. Yung sobrang kabaitan mo kasi it will cost hindi lahat ng puso ay katulad ng puso mo. So, yun lang ang ano ko sa'yo, maipapayo, anong tawag dyan, maipapayo, masasabi bilang isang kaibigan mo. Hindi lahat ng nasa paligid mo ay totoo. So, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana mas maging maging mapagmatsyag. Ayan. Sorry, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to. Wishing you good health kasi alam ko na nandyan na lahat para sa'yo. Kaya ngayong live na to sa YouTube mo, ayan, alam ko rin na nag-enjoy kaya. So, be careful with your trusted friend. Basta kaming Tres Marias nandito lang tayo. Di man tayo madalas mag-usap dahil sa mga complications natin sa oras, pero still, nandito kami. Anyways, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health always. So, para makapag-enjoy ka pa ng mas mahabang time. Happy birthday to you again. And I love you. Simple as that. Alam mo na nandito lang kami. Yung mga maiiwan sa'yo. Yan. Happy birthday! Enjoy. I love you. Bye! Love.
Hello, Tita Mercy. Happy birthday to you. In behalf of Lawin Team, Lawin TV Vlog, ako po si Abby the Explorer, 143. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ate Mercy Wareham. Ayan, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Enjoy sa iyong araw ng kaarawan and more power sa iyong YouTube channel. And thank you so much na inanyayahan mo ako na batiin kita ng happy birthday, at I'm so happy kahit sa YouTube lang tayo nagkakilala. So ayan, Ate Mercy, enjoy your day and more blessing to come and more power. Enjoy lang lagi para iwas stress and para healthy and maganda lagi. Bye-bye, Ate Mercy. I love you.
Hello, Beshi. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and many happy returns. Mwah, Mama Chup Chup.
Hello, Ate Mercy. Happy blessed birthday. Stay healthy and beautiful. We love you.
Hello! Good afternoon guys! Ayan, birthday na ating Sis Mercy ngayon. Para sa kanya ang aking video na to. Happy birthday Sis Mercy! Sana ay maligayang ka sa araw na to, sister. Namimiss na kita kasama sa ating mga live. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! May kulang pa. Sana dumating na yan sa buhay mo. Yan, manalig ka lang sa taas at darating sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mercy. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Enjoy yourself.
Ma'am Mercy Werham, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At ito po para po sa inyo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Mercy Werham. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye.
Hoje esse vídeo vai para nossa amiga Mercy. Parabéns, minha amiga, por mais um ano de vida. Que Deus te abençoe sempre a sua vida e que você continue ajudando os nossos amigos. Beijo no seu coração. Parabéns pra você nessa data querida. Muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida. Viva Mercy, viva amiga linda do meu coração. Beijo pra você e pra todos os amigos que assistirem o nosso vídeo.
I'm so happy to have you all in my life. I love you all. Thank you very much. I'm so happy to have you all in my life. Thank you everyone. I love you all.